Hello, here I am flying the Prism Quantum. It's extremely rainy, but it's also quite windy. I'm just about managing because the kite's really heavy from all the rain. And you can see that on the floor is my 110-foot long tube tail, but the rain made it too heavy to keep in the air. Whoa, it's really raining now. I am soaked. I am soaking wet. Whoa. Been out here for about 3 hours. It wasn't raining earlier when all the kids came out from school. They all enjoyed seeing the tube tail in the air when it wasn't raining. Kids being kids, they chased after the tube tail. Whoa, it's raining so much now. Oh my god, I'm soaked. But the wind's still good. Woo! Whoa, it's sucking. Lovely. Come rain or shine, night or day, me and my kite in the sky will stay. Woo! Nice.